Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain Chase Bank reviews, pros, and cons. Chase Bank, officially known as JP Morgan Chase Bank, is one of the largest banks in the United States, offering a wide range of financial services to individuals, businesses, and institutions. Chase traces its roots back to the Bank of the Manhattan Company, founded in 1799. Over the years, through mergers and acquisitions, it became part of the JP Morgan and Chase Co., one of the largest financial institutions globally. Chase offers various personal banking services, including checking and savings account, credit cards, mortgages, loans, and personal loans. For businesses, Chase provides services like business checking and savings account, credit cards, payment processing, loans, and cash management solutions. You can go to the website of Chase Bank and open your account here. You can enjoy a $300 as a new Chase customer. Select the total checking account option from the list of account types. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Chase may require you to verify identity through documents like a driver's license or passport. Decide how you want to fund your identity through documents like a driver's license or passport. You may need to make an initial deposit. Review all the information you have provided, agree to the terms and conditions, and submit your application. After submitting your application, you should receive a confirmation form. Through JP Morgan Chase offers investment services such as wealth management, retirement planning, brokerage services, and investment advisory services. Chase provides robust online and mobile banking platforms, allowing customers to manage their accounts, pay bills, transfer money, deposit checks, and more. Chase has a vast network of branches and ATMs across the United States, making it convenient for customers to access banking services in person or through ATMs. Chase invests heavily in technology to enhance customer experience and security. This includes features like mobile deposit, account alerts, digital wallets for contactless payments, and fraud detection tools. Chase offers customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and in-person at branches. They also provide online resources and FAQs to assist customers with common inquiries. Chase is involved in various community initiatives and philanthropic efforts, supporting education, small businesses, and economic development in the communities it serves. Chase employs advanced security measures to protect customer data and transactions, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring systems. Here are some pros of Chase Bank. Chase provides a comprehensive suite of banking products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment options. Chase is known for its responsive customer support, with options for assistance through phone, online chat, and in person at branches, ensuring that customers can get help when they need it. Chase prioritizes security, offering features such as fraud protection, secure login procedures, and account alerts to help customer monitors and protect their accounts from unauthorized access or fraudulent activity. Now we will discuss the cons of Chase Bank. Some Chase accounts may require customers to maintain a minimum balance to avoid fees or qualify for certain benefits. This requirement can be a drawback for customers who prefer low balance or fee-free accounts. Chase, like other banks, charges overdraft fees if customers spend. Overall, Chase is known for its comprehensive range of financial products and services, technological innovation, and commitment to customer satisfaction and community engagement. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.